It's here, guys. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are in the building. Now, I did pick up the Pro Max here, and I do have the Pro here as well, but I'm going to be unboxing this in another video. But today, we're going to be checking out the 15 Pro Max and the new natural titanium color. I've been unboxing the iPhones here, I think, since the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I believe. So this is gonna be the third one that I unbox here on the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy these types of videos because I sure do. And if you guys do, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy, shall we? So like I said, this is the 15 Pro Max because of course they have the most features like better battery. You have the 5x periscope zoom camera. So that's pretty cool. And I really like those features, especially because sometimes I do use my phone for recording, obviously for, you know, whether it be YouTube or Twitter, Instagram, stuff like that. So I definitely do try to take advantage of what this phone's capable of. And I did get it, of course, in the 256 gigabytes storage because that seems to be the sweet spot for me. Maybe eventually I'll have to get a 512, but until then, this is plenty enough for me. So here's the box right here. Of course, we have that titanium wallpaper right there. Very excited to see how the color looks in person. And yeah, haven't seen it. I did go to the Apple Store to pick this up, and yeah, I tried not to look at it because I wanted to save my initial impressions for this video. So pretty cool. So turning it over to the side, we have the iPhone and the titanium color there. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. So none crazy there. So we'll go ahead and just peel these things off and get straight into it, shall we? So of course, like I said, this does have the 5x periscope zoom camera. We have a larger 48 megapixel camera sensor. We have the new titanium frame, which is pretty cool. We have the programmable button on the side, and we have that Apple A17 chip. It's of course lighter. Been seeing a lot of people saying that it's definitely lighter, thicker body, and of course what everybody has been happy about is the USB-C port. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. Whoo-wee, look at that right there. So last year I was actually contemplating whether to go with the black or the deep purple, and I kind of regretted not going with the black. So I was curious to see what color I was gonna go with this year, but after seeing this natural titanium, it definitely piqued my interest. I'm a really big fan with gray. As you guys have been seeing me, my live stream, stuff like that, you know, I always like trying having my hair dyed gray, so shouldn't be any news to you there. And this has a nice gray white titanium look to it, and holy crap, man, seeing this in person, let me see if I can get a nice little angle for you guys there. Whoo-wee, man, this thing looks absolutely gorgeous. So of course, like I said, it does sport that titanium frame around the phone, so that's pretty cool. We do have square edges, which is really cool. I would compare it to my iPhone 14 Pro Max, but of course you guys are being recorded with my phone there on the right side there, but I'm already kind of getting fingerprints on it. But pretty cool. We have, like I said, that new 5x periscope zoom camera that I believe is only in the Pro Max. So if you guys want to take advantage of that feature, you guys do gotta go with the 15 Pro Max, the titanium frame, like I said. And then we do have that new action button right there. If you guys can see it right there, pretty cool. So we can actually set it in the phone if you guys want to set it up to using your camera, shortcuts, anything. That's pretty cool. Or just keep it standard and just use it to, you know, sight on your phone. You guys can do that as well, but that'll be up to you guys. But definitely a cool new feature. And of course, we still have dynamic island included. And taking a look at the bottom, we have that USB-C port right there. So no more lightning cable. So boom, there it is. So this also does support 2000 nits of brightness now, so you guys can actually have a brighter screen when you guys are using the phone outdoors, which is really cool. When that sun is hitting my phone directly, definitely does come in handy to have that brightness all the way high. So let me try to turn that on. I'm definitely going to be setting this up on the side and hopefully set it up and try to show you how that button functionality works so you guys can see it for yourselves. But yeah, guys, that's the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and look at that, it's already booted up. You gotta love these new chips, get faster and faster. Boot times are even shorter. Man, the screen looks absolutely beautiful. Of course, it has that nice 120 hertz screen. And then of course, let's get into the box here. And then we have a nice braided USB-C cable right here. I love that it's braided, definitely some good quality. And I do definitely have some USB-C cables lying around that I'll definitely be taking advantage of, especially getting rid of my lightning cable in my car, because I do have, of course, charging cable in my car to be charging my phone when I go to work and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside here. Of course, designed by Apple in California, same usual stuff. Our one Apple sticker. It doesn't actually come, oh, of course it doesn't. We don't actually use SIM cards now. So you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. So definitely an easy process to do. But yeah, that's everything you get inside. And I'm very excited to get this phone set up. I'm going to be transferring all my stuff over. And yeah, I got the natural titanium. Let's look at it once again in all its glory. If you guys are picking the iPhone 15 Pro Max, let me know what color did you guys go with in the comments down below. I'd be curious to know what color majority of people are going to be going with. Though I have seen on the website that this color is very popular. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be going with the titanium natural color right here. And I am absolutely digging it. And I'm going to enjoy using this for the next year until next year. See what colors we get. But yeah, guys, that's my quick little unboxing for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, again, make sure you guys hit that like button. It does go a long way. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.